Be anyone or comment section. I say, oh, show me or Becca say, me kosra bema long journey, me share bema or hotel. All my intention is to get to know him. Oh, hello, come on. What happened to babe? Hello, on phone. Yeah, I want to get to know you. How many family members do you have? What's your color? Call me video call. Like, oh, hey, I just came here to see you. Come on, let me call you VC. You want to see the physical me, like body to body. To say obe shoba, right? So who is kabina de be more ba I say who feel it. It's a gift. And I would man. And to say who if you go beyond now acquire a responsibility of a husband. That is where you did you be say every do no. So like me say who relationship just set the rules, right? Set the rules. These are my rules. So bet my follow we are dating. If you can't go. Yeah.
Say in the day in Bruno and fat streets or one in Oshia, what is she going to eat the next morning?
That is Enanyameka, me ma ubi India, me ma de pancho.
Oh,
that is the reason why Nyame ni share one adwono.
I see.
So ade achi. Nyame amani hwe ndia. Wo ho.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
But yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.
What is that setting as say young girl? Is she an SNP? Nepede and out, no opedo, obisa bibia. Either they share na rent ewu.
Yeah.
Obedini birthday.
Yeah.
Ne mame yar, anane mame de emergency. Another or event biko.
Yeah.
Into or there expecting. Why that these things are very common with almost all these young ladies.
Yeah.
My rent die. It's my birthday. My mother is sick.
Yeah.
Another will be one family. Yeah. Is it a template? Marco Union be another Marco meeting. Be we design the day. If man propose to you, this be the kind of agendas you for take give them.
Yeah. So the rent one is a common one because
It's bringing shower rent.
and yes, sir, it's the common one that most people use because there's no way it says I will pay me and I say if you truly like me, you want me to be sleeping outside, right? Because you didn't say I know you catch your we want to say so emergency, so you would like to help. But with the mother side there, even if I'm a man, grandpa, because I say I won't mind you. Like I'm dating you, not your mother. And then we are not married.
But the same thing today.
But with the birthday Nimiko program, no, like there are at the end of the day, no crampo, no. Although we are discussing this, no, as a man in a relationship, crampo, no, and woman or responsibility say obe shoba, right? So who is kabina de be more ba I say who feel it. It's a gift. And I would man. And to say if you go beyond, now we can acquire a responsibility of a husband. That is where you did you maybe say every do no. So like me say who relationship just set the rules, right? Set the rules. These are my rules. So bet my follow we are dating. If you can't go. Because if you come and tell me as a man, if I'm a man, now be catch me say, and babe, me call birthday and I'm here. It's an insult. Why did you attempt? Me call birthday in person or to atade mommy. And me name now for call birthday. Can you order Uber for me?
What of
it's an insult?
What of one issue one and yana Sunday and a pipe Sunday baby how are you doing? Us I'm hungry.
That is agenda, girls or ladies. No day I want set rules no. On no agenda or the
Are they truly hungry? Are they truly hungry?
They are. That is the life they are living.
Like a common one for real.
A comedy. Those people onim how or when to ask money.
Okay, so
yes,
let's say they share needed in brew.
Yeah.
Say in the day in Bruno and fat streets or one in Oshia. What is she going to eat the next morning?
that is ena nyame kan me ma obi ndia me ma de pancho.
Oh,
That is the reason why nyame ma ni share wanadwo no.
I see.
So ade achi nyame ama no hwe ndia wo ho.
Then truly, yeah, Messiafo one coupon on it, right?
Yes.
All right, now let's go to the other side of the coin.
Okay.
Mbenyin fubi so ohwa wo hye besia na damada night no kra no I say ibo e kontua no mu mana onye obada.
Yeah.
E hye besia wo besia wutrim ni hye besia ma ideally or it will take how long and sana catch and please come home another can we have sex.
Yeah. So per me mostly no a member omo give me number omo name me chat and I don't know if they are scared of me or what. It can take someone like a year before so because a bram if like on campo because one thing I don't like is you test me say can you visit me in the house? Like if you really like me, what happens to dates, going on dates, like 3 to 4, getting to know each other.
Dating with both of us will be able to bill another.
Oh, if right.
Another dating
listen, oh, like your dating be or say unko di benku. Your date be or how you go, you just get some drinks and maybe water, right? There's no way so we could date now. Could do 2 hours for.
But any there girls be was who could date and as I won't be the way I send. Damage ban and walk our request. And they will even take away home to walk.
You are willing to pay. Like ya better did that. Be my be who did bro so best or real question or bit to no. If you say you like me and then we are getting to know each other, now me say you go on data. Maybe I really like something about you, right? And then maybe I want to see you again. And then if I call for a date, me person can you bet me share or maybe I'll use KFC. Maybe I bet share KFC na maybe I won't come. KFC no, ukita 500 cedis. Paco. Mummy and mate made the crime and say Saka.
Yeah, but you be on a salary 1,000 cedis.
No. I'm saying it's a men I'm afraid. Me or Bano.
Okay.
And I'm afraid for dating, right?
And Adrian Besia Ghana girl will take a man out and spend 500 cedis.
That's why you have to date someone who is open-minded. You want for Ghana how they are living their life like a obronibi and also outside the country.
Okay.
Right now, people are learning. Right? Say Ghana for most of us, you say Obakra bet me the Bema could date. Obakra a bit me up Bema.
Are you sure?
Oh, yes.
Sure the Kaswa girls in Masama Kenya.
Why is it that Kaswa girls are the most sweetest girls you ever meet? Like become a trail.
Rep your hood.
Oh, and your way is not about say
rep your hood.
With the Kaswa ni be become they say Kaswa my own. I don't know, like maybe more maybe they are not from Kaswa.
Well, anyway, but back to the topic itself, Nankasan. So, is she being how long do it take answer ni boy mama?
It depends. You see, you can go to this house party and then you meet this fine guy and then like Mumi and Nina, you like each other, right? You set for like you talk, or he will say I'm single, and then you also be like sometimes just have fun. And then maybe in the same like hours now, papa, something has happened. That is the mood, right? And then we have these people that you meet and then you start talking on social media, like you arrange. I want to see you. Can we meet here? Like if a man tells you to meet him at the hotel, deep down when him say "Bema with your pay me," and then you are going to the hotel, like it happens. So for the sex part, then I don't know. It's the mood.
Do you think it is logical for a woman to meet a man at a hotel room and go like, I didn't come here for this?
You didn't come here for this. No. Why would you come to a hotel and tell me? I was discussing this with one of my colleagues yesterday. And I'm saying, "Sir, who you buy? Na bema unim se wapel da. No catch her say share me or hotel her. Now master carriage now kwa. Meaning you are fully prepared for like everything that's gonna happen there. So you can't just walk into a hotel because say obi si open me say me pen see me share hotel see me ko. What happened to the bar? What happened to the bus stop? What happened to the Antiefia Choba? You are going to the hotel for something. It's, you know, or baby or Becca Sabia, me, I don't support you. Master, walk on. You know, some girls, when they are even going, they will put a spare panty in their bag. And then later you tell me that you didn't go there for something. Mommy, don't do that.
Lubricant to shower bag.
Don't do that.
Lubricant to shower bag. You didn't come here for this.
You see, nowadays, crying, Oban crying a baby book hotel. Now, she will take the money from you and then she will book the hotel. Then you will come. Like, we are not saying it's bad. It's normal. But you women, like sometimes women here to say these men are taking advantage of you, but it's not like that.
So ideally, say Bessia Benina say, I mean, within some short time, a GM mana on your day be a free, a cheap, another baby dam. Or you feeling or
yes, me on like when they say will be a cheaper. And Kameka say, "Mema a cheap class in bar."
On the edge too.
Yes, there is nothing cheapness in like sell one time thing. Be what having now call like no. I don't just say excuse me to say we are showing and I say Bibisa. It's because of the mood and the feelings. Sometimes you can't like there's a feeling that you can't like get rid of. You meet this fine man. You see, women. We don't like to talk about this, but we also have these feelings that when you see someone that you truly likes, you want to go down with that person. We also have that feeling.
Have you had that experience before?
But the person is not here. I've never met you, but Michiana.
Ebezin.
Oh, like say point. You see, like Ghana for Yama Bibia Chinchin. At the end of the day, as I say, we are living in a modern. That doesn't mean if you are in a relationship, that one is different. But let's say you are single, there's this party that you are going, especially a house party. If you are someone in a party, a house party.
We know.
Who call house party? You should be careful. If you are not ready for some things, don't go.
I see.
Don't go because house party, like Charlie, sometimes they're dangerous. So you are going to this house party. You are single, right? You are single. And then you meet this guy, he's fine. And a house party, so now your banner as a Bema Bianca but with this guy, like he's protecting you, right? Who's a Bema be crabby, he will be like because first one wakacho I like you want him. Now at the end of the day, something has happened. You don't have to blame the guy, you don't have to blame yourself. A serious like just let go of it. Say emotional mobile to me to baby so fine. Sometimes you won't get to see the person again. It's I don't judge people like that, but we have people intentional or boyfriend or co-party or say prepare say but if it happens I didn't plan for this NSC. I don't feel too cheap. It happens. And your feelings, sometimes you can't just, control it. It's normal.
Sometimes, some staff so our boys so I will pay the one who be or we share guy be on social media.
Yeah.
TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, on any vibe and as a chat. Girl no far away, be all Kumasi, Bengina wa Accra, be all Takra, the Bengina wa Accra. Then Bessie be agree wa fakara one day there or ba Benin ho wa Accra. Now or visit Benin in the night na action be recording. Bessiane say please, I'm not here for this. Is it that in Benin funny be or yeah they are taking advantage of situation and they Bessia waja to mupade about travel all the way from Kumasi to Accra to be with the guy and it's in Chemujen be already. Is it normal?
You didn't come here for this. It's the same as the hotel one that I'm talking about.
Hotel one because I am finna be all Accra, baby all a long journey.
Like one thing is Emaya was hard we share say on. Obema bia uko shiano na ye munko bia. Put this up. Say besi o say nsio. Obema ye bema, right? Ti wo kon hu ni se bibia besi at the end of the day ma chat ya and na chat na mo chat nyese obi ni ne sofo and as obi ni teacher This is a relationship topic. You guys are flirting. More can't don't want some near the end of it. You before say be my crabaka say best run on what they can catch us my feel. Right? Oh babe my feel, oh best run. What just can make us say what for car cook massy. Now who cook massy car You know you are not here for this, you are here for what?
That's
Ube swana ba wakra na the men are not taking any advice.
I'm here.
Advantage.
I'm here. I want to get to know you some more.
Sure.
Have some Netflix and
No. To travel like hours is different. So I say, "Mo chill crampa." I'm sure I will judge Krabi. I will say, if you don't like this person, why would you waste or risk your life to travel an hour or maybe hours to his house? Me kwampo debi ame catch him say me be ma me no chimpo na wo East Legon na me take aso na me risk my life efa ka Africa so abesrawa. That alone should tell you that I love you. Because me fa ka Africa so anu bibia bet messy.
Anything can happen.
Yes, into they should tell you say me pe unti na mafa ka Afri me fear enye say me mpa for. And I say mini TV.
You know what you want.
Yes. Like we are in a relationship. Come on. It's a man sometimes more reacted too much. And so you are the cause of it. Because most women or about Bema question it missy or baby. Or baby anywhere or comment section. I say, oh show me or Becca say, me Sierra Bema long journey, me share Bema or hotel. All my intention is to get to know him. Oh hello, come on. What happened to babe? Hello, on phone. Yeah, I want to get to know you. How many family members do you have? What's your color? Call me video call. Like, hey, I just came here to see you. Come on, let me call you VC. You want to see the physical me, like body to body.
I see.
Hey, man,
All right, guys, since me are sure there, as if you are paying who for relationship, man, are there and be afun and be influenced and this be what you want here. Now we are going to wrap up on this. And we are bringing you another exciting episode that boys really want to know about ladies. It's your turn by your bar, your better vibe.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Basia, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. He said all the lie.
Power to the rich.